Hi everyone, here's Zuzana Rafnar and I'm excited to walk you through behind the scenes of my project for BU campaign. The campaign is all about promoting your true self, your individuality, and accepting all of this. And the main goal is actually to reach young adults, to encourage them to feel confident in their own skin, and also despite the pressures of societal terms. Before I will start to show you my designs which I created, I would like to say that everything actually started with a simple question, like what makes you, you? And this is really interesting to ask yourself. So I began with like a mind mapping and raw sketches. You can see it in my report. And I was exploring themes of identity and self-expressions, and the central message which could be for this campaign sounds like your perfection is in your imperfections. So yeah, let's go more deeply into the designs and I will try to explain my design choices. So here you can see the logo. I designed it to be like a modern and minimalistic, reflecting clarity and openness. I believe that this is essential for representing the essence of being true to oneself. I hope you agree. And here you can see the color palette which I actually chose, and you can see that I chose this like a vibrant lime green, soft magenta, or pale cyan, along with black and white, because I believe that these colors balance warmth and freshness and symbolize diversity and unity which we actually need in this project. And now let's go to take a look on the first design made, which is the first poster, where you can see a face covered with a phone, tied with a scarf. And it's illustrating how technology can constrain our identity. And as you can see, I used watercolor techniques to soften this stark imagery, employing colors to evoke like a vulnerability. Second poster, there is a syringe morphed with the phone, highlighting the addictive nature of social media. And here too, the watercolor can help soften the impact and making the message maybe more approachable, I would say. And here, let's take a look on the billboard design. And it's showing a woman comfortably being in her own skin, to embracing the main message of the campaign, like your perfection is in your imperfections. And I also tried to design it to create it welcoming, but also like make some emotional connection with the audience. As you can see, the font which I use or choose to use is called Active One Plus, and I think that is modern and dynamic, and it goes very well with the message of the campaign. And it has these qualities which actually align with the goal and inspire and energize the audience of this campaign. So I also believe that it's sharp and clean, and ensures that the message is readable and impactful as we need it. For brand touchpoint, I went for these digital interactive billboards, or city billboards, or we can call it like that, digital billboards. And these billboards use actually real-time camera feeds to display passersby and overlay motivational messages that respond dynamically to their actions. And this interactive element not only draws attention, but also personally engages the people, and making the campaign experience actually directly relevant to them. And I can see it as a really interesting thing, but as I'm like reflecting over entire process, there is always room to grow, and maybe future campaigns could incorporate even more interactive and broaden the diversity represented to deepen engagement and impact, because I believe that interactive things are really important, fun to do, and could be viral. So, that's it. thanks you for joining me to explore this BU campaign. I hope it has inspired you a bit, maybe to consider how creativity can foster self-acceptance. And yeah, together let's spread the message of BU and keep celebrating yourself, your uniqueness. And see you next time. Bye, Zoo.